sensational new twist to Sushant's case. Team Kangana has slammed Sara Ali Khan, who in fact was Sushant's co-actor in film Kedarnath. And Kangana's team has tweeted in this regard another scathing nepotism attack, in fact coming in from Kangana Ranaut. In this tweet, Kangana Ranaut says, and I quote, "News of SSR and Sara affair was all over the media. Apparently they were even sharing a room during their outdoor. Why these fancy nepotism kids show dreams to vulnerable outsiders and then publicly dump them? No wonder he fell for a vulture post." That, and she's also tagged article on the same. So Kangana Ranaut is once again taking scathing jibe at Bollywood. The nepotism attack is back. Kangana Ranaut says that Sushant Singh Rajput was publicly dumped after the movie. Let's go across to Kajal, and Kangana Ranaut is drawing a link here between Sara Ali Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput.
Well, the relationship, she's talking about a personal relationship that they possibly had. Now, we do not know whether this, what sort of relationship this was. As far as we remember, during the publicity of the film that they did, Kedarnath, there were rumors, but nothing was ever admitted by either Sara Ali Khan or Sushant publicly. So we don't really know what was the status, but Kangana Ranaut there going and saying that they were very close, and he was upset that he was dumped by Sara Ali Khan. At least that's what the tweet seems to indicate. We don't yet know if this is going to be of any use in the investigative angle when it comes to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. And right now the focus, of course, is on the CBI team that is coming here, and we will have to wait and watch whether any of these stars are also called in.
Well, yes, absolutely. But Kangana Ranaut is once again emphasizing on the nepotism angle, Kajal. Going by the tweet, Kangana Ranaut is saying that Sushant Singh Rajput, being an outsider, was extremely vulnerable, and that Sara Ali Khan, dumped him, which may have had an impact. That's what Kangana's assessment is.
But Swati, the family itself has actually said that they were being forced to bring out the nepotism angle. We have to go by the FIR that the family has filed, and we have to go by what they have been alleging. They have so far only alleged Ria's name, and yes, they did at one point say that she could have been a honey trap, but they haven't yet spoken about the nepotism angle. They in fact went on to say that they were being forced to take the name of certain producers. So we will have to wait for the family to actually come out and say something about this, because so far the family has kept the focus of the FIR and all the complaints on Ria and the alleged financial angle.
I believe we have details of that Instagram post. We can go across to Pranesh for more on that. Yes, Pranesh.
Now, we've seen the tweet by Team Kangana, Swati, but this is how it all began. This is Samuel Haukip. He's a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, and I think this Instagram post by him triggered this angle. I remember the time during Kedarnath promotions, Sushant and Sara were totally in love. They were inseparable, so pure and childlike innocence. They both had tremendous respect for each other, which was so rare to see nowadays in relationships. And then he says Sara, along with Sushant, had genuine respect for everyone in Sushant's life, be it family, friends, and even staff. I wonder whether Sara's decision to break up with Sushant right after Son Chiria's box office performance was due to any pressure by the Bollywood mafia. Now, this is someone who knew Sushant Singh Rajput as an individual. He was very close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he had closely seen the relationship that Sushant had with Sara Ali Khan, and he's talking about what he saw on the sets of Kedarnath, the movie they did together. And he's suspecting that there is something amiss, and he says here, the last sentence, I wonder whether Sara's decision to break up with Sushant right after Son Chiria's box office performance was due to any pressure by the Bollywood mafia. And Kangana has taken off from here by suggesting once again that how star kids perhaps play with minds of other people, and in this case Sushant Singh Rajput.